Howdy everyone, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. I'm Chuck.
And I'm Henry.
And today we thought we'd shake it up on you a little bit. Most of our tips focus on things for system admins to do, and we decided our technicians weren't getting enough love. So this one goes out to all you techs out there. It's our top 5 favorite quick tips for techs.
The first one that we're going to start out with today has to do with the equipment finder. Let's say you're a technician and you're basically looking in the same company every time, but you really love your equipment finder. However, you're really sick of doing this every time. Do I want to pull everything down? Yes. Do I want to pull everything down? Yes.
That's 4 clicks.
That's 4 clicks. What if I just wanted this list the same way every time? Well, I can do that, and I can control that from myself and myself only, actually. If I simply go into my Edit User Location Settings, and I go to my Application Settings, I can deselect the Auto Clear Equipment Finder. By deselecting that, it will save that drop-down list. I can remove that drop-down list by pushing it back up, but we can have it both ways here. I can also have it auto-clear by having it checked on.
So we can go from 4 to 0 clicks, just like that.
That's right.
Awesome.
Number 2.
I'll take it from here. Coming in on number 2. Say you're in your company Will's Widgets here, and you want to search for another gauge. You don't need a fancy or search report. You don't even need to click the top left gauge ID and bring down your list. All you need is a keyboard. You start typing away, WW. Oh, there's WW1. Now, this is a lot more useful, obviously, if you have more than 2 gauges, but it's still a good tip to know. Coming in on number 3, quick tip. Go to your order system, and let's say you've got 50, maybe 100 different gauges down here, all kinds of events. And instead of scrolling and looking for that one you need, all you need is to click Control and F. You get a search bar. You type the gauge you want, and it will filter everything else out. Perfect.
Tip number 4, if you're sick of having to maneuver around these little pop-out tabs, we can show you how to keep those where they are, or just put them back to where they were before. So if you right-click in this top blue bar up here, I can press Edit Docking Panels. By doing so, when I go over here, you'll see this little tab pop out here. Click on this little tab, and it'll stay put, just as it is. All you have to do at that point is save your docking panel if you'd like to. When next time you log in, it'll keep it. You can save for the current user, and then you want to disable docking panels, and your little tab goes away.
The last and final tip is a pretty easy one, but it's something useful and a lot of people don't actually use. So if you go into your equipment view and say you're switching between a bunch of different gauges all at once and you just want a fast way to get back to where you just were. This guy right here, Recall Recently Viewed Equipment, actually gives you a list of the gauges you visited recently, even if they're in a different company. So it's really good for switching back between my A, B, and C Scott and my Will's Widgets. Hope these 5 tips help all you technicians out there, and maybe something for the system admins to make everything smoother for them as well. Until next time.
Till next time.
Happy Tip Tuesday.